This has been set up by the homeowner to prevent the dog from urinating on the air conditioner. That is important because urine contains ammonia, and ammonia does break down both aluminum and copper, which are big components of a condensing unit. So it is important to keep the dog from using the air conditioner as a pee spot. However, you look here and you'll see it's warm. It's 85 degrees out here. But as we walk over here and we stick the probe in here, you're going to watch that temperature spike rather dramatically. Very quickly. You cannot restrict airflow like this. A condensing unit needs to have unfettered airflow for at least 18 inches in all directions. That's about half the diameter of a unit. Air conditioners are designed to run best between about 75 and 90 degrees. You can see this is much warmer than 90 degrees. We're going about 120 here. This cannot exist. This barricade must be removed.